In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically empty the trash in Gmail. This process is incredibly useful for keeping your email account organized and ensuring that deleted messages don't take up precious storage space. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to automate this function. First, it's important to understand that Gmail automatically deletes trash messages after 30 days. However, if you want to manually speed up this process or automate it, you can make use of Google Apps Script, a powerful tool for automating tasks across Google services. Start by navigating to Google Apps Script. You can do this by opening a new tab and typing in Google Apps Script, which will take you to the script editor. Once there, you'll create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. This will open a fresh script editor for you. In the editor, you'll need to create a function that will empty your Gmail trash. To do this, begin by entering the function name at the top, such as AutoEmptyTrash. Inside this function, we will write the code that tells Gmail to purge its trash. To achieve this, input the script that uses the Gmail service from AppScript. Typically, it would be something like Gmail app.search in trash. For each email thread, Gmail app move threads to trash email thread. This line of code essentially searches for all the emails in your trash and moves them, thereby permanently deleting them. Once your function is written, it's important to test it out. Google's Apps Script allows you to run your script by clicking on the play icon, located at the toolbar's top. Always make sure your script is functioning as expected by checking your trash bin afterward to see if it's empty. An essential part of automation is making sure this process runs at regular intervals. Google Apps Script provides a solution for this with triggers. Go to the Triggers section by clicking on the clock icon. Here you can set up a new trigger for your AutoEmptyTrash function. You have the option to choose time-based triggers. For instance, you can set it to run once a week or once a day, depending on your preference. This makes it possible for the trash to be automatically cleared without manual intervention. Finally, review your settings and ensure everything is saved and operating correctly. With that, you have completed setting up an automatic trash emptying system for your Gmail account. This small adjustment can significantly enhance how smoothly your email system functions, sparing you the hassle of doing it manually and optimizing your storage space without lifting a finger. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to keep your Gmail clutter-free. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and have an organized day.